my goodness, look at this wonderful, amazing, elevated raised garden bed that I have. My garden is now completely full of containers. Today's video is brought to you by Vego Garden. This is an amazing 8-foot by 2-foot elevated raised bed. As you can see, there is no bending, there is no stooping. It is holding a lot. I even have watermelons growing in it because it's so long and so big. If you are growing in containers, Vego Garden has amazing containers. They have self-watering containers. They have these elevated raised beds which keep us from doing a lot of bending. As you see, I was able to fit it in my garden. This is a Vego elevated raised garden bed. As most of you all know, I only grow everything in containers. I don't have anything in ground. This is an 8 by 20 elevated raised garden bed. I am going to be able to grow so many things in here. And one of the things that I am looking forward to growing in here, which I'm going to plant in a minute, is watermelon. This bed is big enough for the roots of the watermelon to be able to spread out. Then I can let the vines hang underneath because it has a rack under there. As my watermelons grow, I'm going to let the vines hang down. And can you see the shelving that's down here? This is going to make it amazing. I can grow anything that has long vines, and I can actually let the vines sit on that or just run alongside of it. In past, I've had to find something to elevate them off of the ground, but this is long enough. It's just going to be amazing. And this area actually gets quite a bit of sunlight. I also like the fact that this Vego elevated garden bed is on wheels, because that means if I need to really move it, I could roll it. The wheels lock, so you don't have to worry about it rolling off anywhere. So this is the watermelon start that I have that I'm going to plant, and I'm probably going to put it on the end. That way the roots will be able to grow down. I'm going to plant some other things that have shallow roots so that they won't be fighting for anything. But I will also make sure that I plant things that require the same amount of sun, things of that nature, same amount of water, types of fertilizer, things of that nature, so that they will all be companion planting. This is amazing. Like I said, I can also use the lower part as storage for my garden box or my tools or anything like that. So I am wonderfully thankful for this. And as you can see that it's almost waist high. I have some more high elevated garden beds, but they are still a little lower. I don't necessarily have to bend, but this is absolutely 100% waist high. I don't have to bend to garden. I won't have to bend to harvest or anything. It's if you're looking for a raised bed, it's constructed, it won't rust. It was not very hard to put together. It was heavy, but it was not hard to put together. So we were able to put together in just a few hours, myself and my son, and I love it. I absolutely love it. The fact that this raised bed, this large, is on wheels. Now, you don't have to have the wheels. They do come without the wheels. But one thing I will say about it, with the wheels, that brings it up probably about 2 more inches off the ground, which adds to that height. And for me, I love, love, love the height. Eventually, I would like to change all of my pots and things to be of this height, so there won't be any bending or anything like that. I can come out here, harvest what I need to harvest, plant when I need to plant, and it's all at waist high. This that I have in here, this soil, I can't remember the size of the bags, but I will leave that in the description, but it's the larger bags of soil. This filled up with 6 bags of that soil. I do not have anything else in this Vego raised bed. This elevated bed is just full of organic potting soil. Sure, I could have put some cardboard in there, some sticks. I still have that tree over there. I could have put a lot down in there as fillers. But the one thing that I found, because it is an elevated raised garden bed, it has a bottom to it. And since it has a bottom to it, that's not going to allow the roots to continue to grow further into the ground like a regular raised bed. And then you want to fill it because those roots will go around the stuff before it completely decomposes and it will find its way to the ground. My roots have nowhere else to go. So in all of my containers, the only thing I have in them is the actual soil. So it only took 6 bags. The bags that I bought were right at $8. So $70 with tax and I'm done. And the thing about it is my soil is reused. The only thing I do is top it off occasionally, and that's it. So I'm in love with my Vego raised garden bed. It is absolutely wonderful. This is allowing me to grow almost twice as much as I would in any of my other containers. It has safety features so you won't have a rough edge to worry about getting hurt on it. Also, here you can see underneath how well it's constructed. There's also some drainage holes on the side of it, and I'm just loving this shelf along with the wheels. You can also receive 5% off using code ScaredyCatGardener5% at checkout. I'll leave that link on the screen and in the description. And if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today here in my garden. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers together. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for keep coming back. And my channel members, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I will have a link to this Vego elevated raised garden bed in the description of this video. So if you want to check it out, they also have many other sizes. This was the larger size that they sent me, but they do have smaller ones as well. They have round ones. They have self-watering ones. They have so very many that you might want to take a look out and check out. And don't forget to check out my other channels, Cooking at Pam's Place, Pam's POV, and Pam's Pop-Ups. I'm Pam. This is Zone 8A. Anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant.